Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 5 of Surah Al Aaraf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فما كان دعواهم إذ جاءهم بأسنا إلا ف give Hamzin fa for top on jaws ma 2 counts long Kaf is light, make it 2 counts long. Na, for top on jaws, the sound is short. Da, da is sharp. For top on jaws, attach with ein. Ein will get sif off the wasut. Ein should be from middle part of your throat. Da, for wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of waw is circle in your lips and make it 2 counts long. For the ma circle lips, attach with meme. We will get sif off the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. إذ for give E sound attached to Dal. Dal will get sifa of Rakhawa. This Rakhawa on Dal will give that Zabzaba sound and it should be there. إذ Ja 4 counts long and Jim is so the breath should not escape the makhraj of jim. Ja a sharp for top on jaws. The sound is short. For dhamma on ha, you're circling your lips. As you will teach meme, there is ikhfa shafwi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ba. For fatha open jaws attached with Hamza. Hamza will get sif of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. Su for the ma circle lips. The sound is short. Na mad munfasil jaz. Make it 4 counts long. Il for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sif of the wasut. La mad munfasil jaz. Make it 4 counts long. For fatha upon jaws and make it heavy because this ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. Qaf is heavy and because of qa, this alif is heavy too and make it 2 counts long. Lu mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. In for kasra give e sound and hamza is shadid. Make it attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In and then it is 2 counts long. Na kun for the ma circle lips. As you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position. Na 2 counts long. Dha is heavy and makhraj of dha is when you are touching the edge of your frontal to teeth with your tongue. So make sure you engage the right makhraj. Dha li for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Meen. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long whole into 4. This is madarat less sukoon. فما كان دعواهم إذ جاءهم بأسنا إلا أن قالوا إنا كنا ظالمين. Give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Nas for fatha upon jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of raqawa. It has safid and it is light. A hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Lan for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. For Dhamma, circle lips attached with Ra. As you will touch Ra, your lips should be in a straight position. Ra will get sifa of tawasut and Ra will be heavy because there is Dhamma before it. O. C for kasra give E sound. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. E for kasra give E sound. Lay. Yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you're making it soft. Lay. Him. For kasra give E sound attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Huwa makhraj of our circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Nas. A. لن give the wasat on lam more for the circle ellipse attached with ra will get the wasat sifa of the wasat and it will be heavy because there is the ma before it. More se for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Lean. Because of this verb, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid less sukoon. فلنسألن الذين أرسل إليهم ولنسألن المرسلين. Fa, give hamzin fa for fatha upon jaws. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Us, qaf is heavy for the circle lips attached. Sod, sod will be heavy. It has safir and it has rakhawa. Qus, sod is heavy and safir should be there too. Qussan, for fatha upon jaws attached. Noon will get sipa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat, middle part of your throat. And for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Lay, yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Lay, him. For kasra give E sound. And then there is ikhfa shafawi. You are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. All ikhfas have akmal qunna. Him, B, focus give E sound. Oil, focus give E sound attached. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And then mim will get sifa of tawassut too. Bi ilm. The tawassut of lam and the tawassut of mim should be equal. Bi ilm. Wa makhraj of always circling your lips for top and just the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Kun for the ma circling lips. As you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position. And for gunna on noon, you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is akmal gunna. And na 2 counts long. Gha. Ghain is musta'aliyah. It is heavy letter, but it has infitah too. Ghain, kha, and qaf are munfatiha letters. These are among munfatiha letters, but the unique thing is that they are musta'aliya too. So be careful, make it heavy, but give infitah too. Gha, gha, 4 counts long. And because of ghain, this alif is heavy too. Gha-i, sharp sound for kasra give E sound. Been. Because of this fa, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long over into 4. This is madarat sukoon. And make sure when you are stretching the mud, you are not keeping it in your nose at all. فلنقصن عليهم بعلم وما كنا غائبين. والمخرج of our circle in your lips فتح فنجاز attached lam will get sifa of tawassut. Was For مخرج of واو, circle your lips وفتحة open jaws attach it. Za will get صفة of رخاوة. It has سفي too. وزن. For the ma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Yow. Yeah is light. And this is wow lean. So when you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making it soft. Yow. Ma. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. E. For kasra give E sound. The. For kasra give E sound. Nil. Whenever there is um, hamdatul wasl after tanween, then you will give noon, which is already there. Noon sakin here in this tanween, you are giving it kasra. So this is how you are going to join to Sakoon, because there was here it was Sakoon on Noon, and here it was Sakoon too. So for when you are attaching two Sakin letters, you are giving kasra on the first one. So here we are giving kasra on Noon, which is here in this tanween. يومئذ نيل. Give tawassut here. حق. Ha from middle part of your throat. Give hams for fatha open jaws and then attach with cough. The first cough, there are two cough here. The first cough will get shidda. The first cough will get shidda, and the last cough will get qalqala. So this is how we are going to say haqq. You are not giving too long time on the shidda, because this is not required, but you are going quickly towards qalqala. Haqq. Haqq. Give ha hums and then attach it qaf with shidda, and the next qaf will get sifa qalqala. Haqq. F. Give hams and fa for fatha open jaws. Ma for fatha open jaws, and there is iqfa. This iqfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Ma. Tha for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Pu. Qaf is heavy for the ma, circle lips, the sound is short. And let for fatha open jaws attach with ta. Ta will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Let. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa. Makhraj of waw, circling your lips, make it 2 counts long. Z. Give safir in za, make it 2 counts long. Z. Nu. For the ma, circle lips, the sound is short. Hu. For the ma, circle lips, and make it 2 counts long, because this is mad sila sughra. Fa. Give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. U. For the ma, circle lips, the sound is short. La. Mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. E. For kasra, give E sound, the sound is sharp. Ka. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short and soft. Hu. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Mul. For the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa up the wasut, and as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Muf. For the circle lips on meme, and as you will touch fa, your lips should be in a straight position. On fa, you are giving rakhawa and hums. Mufli. Focus to give E sound. The sound is short. Hoon. Give hams in fa. And because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long into 4. This is madarat less sukun. والوزن يومئذ الحق فمن ثقلت موازينه فأولئك هم المفلحون. ومخرج of واو, circle in your lips for top on jaws, the sound is short. Man. for fatha upon jaws, and there is sifa is tawassut and hukmuhu ifhar. Man khaf kha make kha heavy with infitah, and for fatha upon jaws attached fa will get sifa of raqawa. Qaf fat for fatha upon jaws, and then attached ta will get sifa of hams, and hams is flow of breath. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa 2 counts long. Z 2 counts long. Nu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Hu mat sila sughra 2 counts long. Fa أولئك الذين خ is heavy for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. C for kasragid E sound, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is dhamma or fatha, make it 2 counts, make it heavy, and it is 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Uru Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws, and there's ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight, and you are bringing your upper teeth closer to the lower lip, so your mouth should be ready to say fa while you are saying ikhfa. Fu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short, and for the circle ellipse, yes. And sa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hum for the circle ellipse, attached meme. This is ikhfa shafawi, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. B for kasragid E sound. Ma 2 counts long. Kaf is light, make it 2 counts long. Nu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. B for kasragid E sound. 2 counts long. Yeah, keep yes and light, make it 2 counts long. T for kasragid E sound. Na 2 counts long. Yeah, keep ya light for fatha upon jaws, attach it. Wa will be heavy. Wa will get sifa afrakhawa, and it has itbaq. Yali focus like E sound. The sound is short. Moon. Because of this verb, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long over into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. ومن خفت موازينه فأولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم بما كانوا بآياتنا يظلمون. ومخرج of our circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. And qad, qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws, attach dal, keep dal light, and give nice qalqala. Qad. Mak for fatha upon jaws, attach kaf, kaf will get sif of shidda. Makkan for fatha upon jaws, attach nun, nun will get sif of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na 2 counts long. Kum for the circle ellipse, and attach it meme will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Kum feel for kasragib E sound, attach it lam, and it is not anymore long. Feel and get tawassut on lam. Ar Hamza is sharp and light for fatha upon jaws, attach it ra will get sifa of tawassut. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Ardi, God is heavy for kasra, give E sound, the sound is short. Uwa, makhraj of always circle in your lips, fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ja, Jim, the makhraj of Jim should not escape any breath. Ja. Al, Ain should be middle part of your throat. For fatha upon jaws, attach it lam will get sif after wasut. Na 2 counts long. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum for dhamma circle ellipse, attach it mim will get sif after wasut. And hukmuhu idhar. Fi give hams in fa, make it 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ah, ain, from the middle part of your throat, make it 2 counts long. Ish. Ya is light for fatha upon jaws, attached with sheen. Sheen gets it up for it has the fashi. Yish. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Li, 2 counts long. Lam, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, 2 counts long. Dash for fatha upon jaws attached with sheen. Sheen gets it up for and it has the fashi. And it is light. Ku, kaf is light for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Urun. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarit lis sukoon. And make sure when you are stretching the mud, you are not keeping into your nose. وَلَقَدْ مَكَّنَّاكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَجَعَلْنَا لَكُمْ فِيهَا مَعَايِشَ قَلِيلًا مَا تَشْكُرُونَ ومخرج الواو circle in your lip for fatha upon jaws لا for fatha upon jaws the sound is short قاد قاف is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached dal dal will get sipa qala and make sure you keep dal light should not make it heavy because of this qaf. Kha is heavy for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short and it has infitah too. Khalaq. Lam light for fatha upon jaws attached qaf. Qaf will be heavy and it has qalqala. Na 2 counts long. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. We will get sifa of the wasat and hukmuhu idhar. Thum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. We will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Slow. Sod is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with waw. Here you are giving number. Slow. Slow. And why we are bringing in this number? So we should not make it long. Because do you know that first wow has sukoon, so we can make it we might be making it long because if we will not create number, so don't make it long at all, but you're giving number, so you make sure you are you're pronouncing two vowels, which is first one is with sukoon and the other one is with fatha, and make sure you're not making it long. So wow. For fatha upon jaws attached to raw will get sifa afterwards, and raw will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Na 2 counts long. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa afterwards, and hukmuhu idhar. Thum for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma for fatha, the sound is short. Qul, qaf is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Na 2 counts long. Lil for kasra give e sound and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short with ma, and la mad muttasil wajib make it 4 counts long. So we will make it 4 counts long because this is mad muttasil wajib. E, hamza is sharp for kasra give e sound. Ka, kaf is light for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tis for kasra give e sound and give shiddanta attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It is light and it has safir. This you for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Do for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp, make it 2 counts long. Da for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fa give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sa give safir in sin for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ja give very sharp sound. Jim is shidda letter. There should not be escape of any sound or breath. Ja do for the circle ellipse. Make it 4 counts long. This is mad munfasil jais. Make sure when you are stretching mad, you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Do il hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. La and then it is 4 counts long. This is mad munfasil jais. Ib for kasra give e sound and give hamza a shidda sifa of shidda. Ib and ba will get sifa of qalqala. Li 2 counts long. Sa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Lam for fatha upon jaws attached with mim will get sifa of the wasut and hukmuhu yadhar. Here keep ya light for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Me for kasra give e sound. Nas for fatha upon jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rokhawa. It has speed and it is light. Sa 2 counts long. G very shidda sound. There is no escape of sound or breath. G deen. Because of this fa, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat less sukoon. وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَاكُمْ ثُمَّ صَوَّرْنَاكُمْ ثُمَّ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إلا إبليس لم يكن من الساجدين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.